I have accepted the ice challenge from Maina, Germany. And my 5 nominees will be Doris Tavita from Anaheim, California. And James Faitasia, also from Anaheim, California. And Douglas Langford from Carson, California. And also my Auntie Alice from Anaheim, California. And one special guest that I have so dearly wanted to be in this nominee. I hope I don't get slapped. My mom who told me so many times not to, but I'll do it anyway. And that's it. Yeah.
Donate.
And if you haven't done it in 24 hours, if you guys don't do it in 24 hours, you guys have to pay $100 to the charity of your choice. My charity of my choice to the media ministry at Garden Grove Samoan Assembly of God Church. And yeah, thank you.
All right.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm just kidding. That's not the real ice challenge, though. Okay.
That's just one ice.
Yeah, that's just one. That was just one.
That's just one ice.
Pulling your foot there a little bit.
Step in here.
So, yeah.
It's lunchtime. See, you don't even know how to get it.
It's hot. It's too hot. It's hot. When it's cold outside, I stay inside.
Go down.
This is my mom is standing back there. You see all the ice. It's kind of cold now. It's getting cold.
What are you doing here?
Yeah, this guy.
I'm
He's
the
a-
supervisor. You have to have an adult.
Adult supervision.
You cannot swim by yourself. Which one? Which one goes first? This?
Anything go first.
Slow.
Let's go. Let's go.
Go a little quick.
No. I do this in my sleep, you know? Hey, I don't think these guys are strong enough. That it?
Pwede ilang. Simya.
That it?
One more.
No, one more.
One more?
Get out.
Get out. You have to get yourself out.
Oh, that's it.
Malo, sige. Makikila.
Oh, that's heavy.
I was sore, so I needed an ice bath.
No, sit down.
It's pretty
You
good.
said sit down, sit
Get
down.
down. Your knees.
On the floor.
Get down on your knees.